Tiba. I come with gifts, virgin blood, and salve from Egon's resting place.
Come to me!
Why is it taking so long? Why is it taking so long? More Debolo. Consult the gods and tell them if they will not bring out the child, I will go in there and do it myself.
Patience, my king. Patience.
Consult the gods or face my wrath.
Your Majesty, even I cannot compel the gods to speak if they are silent. We must wait.
More Debolo!
Out of my way. What do you mean I cannot go in there? Have you been at the palm wine this morning? Leave us.
Yes, my grace.
Your Majesty, sit down. I have words from the gods.
Finally, they choose to speak. Out with it. What did the gods say?
Your Majesty, what I'm about to tell you, no ear should hear. Yet, an ear listens.
More Debolo. I am not in for your riddles. What did the gods say? Out with it.
You must not see the child.
You speak madness.
The child is mishapen, but she will not be able to speak. She possesses your own spirits and bears in her all the powers of Tiba. You will thrive and prosper as long as she lives. Your enemies will cower before you, but you will never set your eyes on her, and she will never see you.
What happens if I...
She will die. You will die. Tiba will die. She must be taken to Anis' shrine immediately. I will do it myself. Anis' priestess must raise her as her own child, and nobody must connect the child to you. Unoka. Unoka.
Who calls my name?
The man who challenges the gods to a fight has one leg in the...
They are coming. Who's coming?
Ajali, they are the priestess and their worshippers. They said you are the chosen one.
The chosen one? Yes. No! No! No!
Stop! Do not take one more step. No one can approach the daughters of Annie. Are you the only one in the 7 kingdoms who does not know this? Or is your impudence as a result of momentary insanity?
I am sorry, wise one.
Your sister, Ijak, has been chosen by Annie to serve as a high priestess. Tell her to come to the shrine at first light tomorrow for purification.
Welcome once more. I trust you were made very comfortable in your chambers last night.
We were comfortable. Thank you, Your Highness.
So, what message do you bring from Akadu?
His Majesty Akadu, Lord of the 7 kingdoms of Tiba, demands that you come to Tiba in next full moons and swear your allegiance to him and pay him obeisance.
I see. And if I fail to do this?
Your lands will be seized and your people will be made slaves.
Oh, this is a most momentous occasion. Eh? Fetch my ceremonial sword.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Thank you. Thank you. I got her during my sojourns beyond the 7 rivers of Omama. She cost more calories than you can ever see in a lifetime. And she has seen her fair share of war, blood, and sorrow. I call her the judgment of death. I am Egwato. I fear no man, not even that demented fool who calls himself Lord of the 7 Kingdoms. So, go back and tell his royal foolishness that I, Egwato, I will not be threatened. Would you like an incentive to get your feet moving? Come back here, you slave! Take that to your king. Tell him that's my reply to his cheap threat. Move it!
That scoundrel has no idea what he has brought upon himself and his wretched land. Oh, but he will! He will! By this time tomorrow, blood will flow freely in the land of Omako. Get me the Tobu! Where is the Tobu? Mother, what is it?
Your Highness, you can't go to war with Omako now. The purification rite for Ajo Festival begins in 4 days.
Fine! 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 We will finish the festival. But what do we know what's coming to him? Tell Idogu I will see him at first light.
Igwatu dare challenge me. And here I am sitting on a stool like a docile housewife in her kitchen. Am I no longer the lion that guards the 7 kingdoms? The one who single-handedly killed all warriors of Ebeledu? Am I not?
Insult! Insult!
And now I have desecrated the purification because of that imbecile. It is already the 5th day of the purification. I cannot go back and start again. There is no time. After the festival, I will atone for this.
Highness, Lord of the 7 kingdoms, the favored of the gods, I greet you. My king, no matter what happens, and things will happen, do not turn back. You must not see her face. You know what the consequences are. Protector of the 7 kingdoms, daughter of the river goddess, cleanse our land of all evils. Cleanse us of all aberration. Take away all our pestilence, for you are our mother, and the mother must protect her own. people are here. Let us find favor in your sight. Receive us, beautiful one, as blessings.
What insolence! How dare you come before me in peace? You desecrate me with impudence! You have fed yourself but off me and you now think we are impudence. But I will visit you. I will visit you in my wrath! Please!
Debelo. What do the gods say? What went wrong?
Onye jelumba no rusi ni bwagugo. Mana jelumba joru jena napa. Je mbogu na awuda. Je kwoni chieke ibofo. Kambidolu ije nwe. Adima afọ nasa. Ngwo mmiri na-asa, lia ugwu na-asa, wajo ọfịa na-asa, zu mmadụ na-asa, zu mmụọ na-asa, zu agadi nwanyị na-asa, fe na alụsị na-asa, asa agwụ. Your Highness, the gods are silent.
Make them talk. Make them speak. The festival will not hold until the sacrifice is successfully completed.
The gods will speak only when they want to speak and not before. One thing is clear. The sacrifice was desecrated in some way. And until we find out, I suggest you refrain from touching any of your wives. I am going to Muba Forest. I shall be back. Great God of our land, the Father of the gods, the owner of the hills and the valleys, the unquestionable one, I pay my respect. I have come, your servant, to seek your wisdom concerning...
What wisdom do you see? Do you not have eye? Use your eye. See the abominations going on in the land.
Wise one, no man can have eyes like the gods.
Yes, gods are gods, and men are men. Tell Akadu that. The answers you seek lie with him.
Get out! Where is Udogu? Where is Udogu? Where is Udogu? Did you stop on the way to enjoy the scenery?
No, Your Highness.
I want you to go to Umako at first light. Egwatu's son must not see another sunset.
Your Highness, did you say King Egwatu's son?
Are you suddenly hard of hearing? Then if you don't want what will befall Egwatu's son to be yours, don't question me again. Go! And do not come back. And if for any reason you do not succeed, do not come back.
Yes, Your Highness.
Nothing to say?
More Debalo, should I have anything to say?
Your Highness, I've just told you that the gods have broken their silence and that they are
pointing their shrunken fingers at me. I have ruled the 7 kingdoms for 15 years. And in this time, Tiba has prospered. I have won wars for this kingdom. I am the protector of our land. I deserve thanks, not accusation.
The 7 kingdoms will always remain indebted to you. But Your Highness, people cannot survive on fruits. Every drop of water in the land is boiling hot. Even the water my daughters went to fetch from Nkika started boiling as soon as they got into Tiba. Clearly, Mama is angry with us.
The Mama is angry. The people are demanding answers. They're asking questions. Everyone is looking at Akado. And now, you two have joined them.
I am on your side, but I am afraid. I fear that Mama will visit us with a worse fate if we do not find out from where the desecration is coming from.
More Debelo, then you go ahead and begin the search immediately. You go ahead. Get out of my presence now. Get out.
What is it now, eh? I wonder how long I'm supposed to put up with this imbecile, eh? All she ever does is babble and get in my way. What is it now, eh? Wait it!
Hey, stop there.
Stop there, you guys. What is happening here? What is happening here?
Look at this girl. Is this girl that has a priestess? She's trying to get into the palace.
Go away, this imbecile. Go away. You. Take her back to Ani's shrine and make sure she does not enter the palace at any time. Do you hear?
Okay.
Go away, this imbecile. Go away.
Your Highness. More Debelo. More villagers asking for water.
No, Your Highness. It was Nije.
Do you say Nije?
Yes, Your Highness. I've instructed one of the guards to take her home. She was struggling to get into the palace to see you.
Do you know what she wore?
No, Your Highness. But she looked very frightened. I will speak to Ijago about it later today.
No. You must speak to her now.
Yes, Your Highness. My king, you will give everything to see her face, won't you?
More Debelo. There is no need fighting for something that will never be.
Wise words, my king. Before I leave, I have a message from the gods.
What do they want?
It's about Onoka.
I thought you have taken care of that matter.
He is still a threat, my king. He must be killed.
Very well then. I will ask Idogu to take care of it at first light.
Yes, my king.
How is it, Jenny? I hope all is well.
All is well. She sent me with a message for you. She says it's for your ears only. She heard Mordebe telling the king that your husband Onuka must be killed. My father. She said you must take your husband Onuka and leave Tiba immediately.
Why is it happening now that Okago has come to our life to change it for the better?
Who is Okago?
A man sent to us by the gods to wipe our tears. Ever since he and Onoka became friends, Onoka has had good fortune on his hunting trips. And now this? Where do we go to? Why did I get married to Onoka? Marriage to him has brought me nothing but doom.
I must leave immediately.
Anyamor, what do the gods say? Who is behind this abomination? Who? Hey, woman! Shut up! Let me hear what the gods have to say! Shut up!
Your enemies have a hand in the death of your son.
Even the most stupid person in this palace knows that. Which of my enemies? Which of them?
The Lord of the 7 kingdoms has done this. But the gods say you must do nothing for now. Be silent. Egwa to be silent.
What do you mean? Do nothing. Do nothing. Anyamor Akado has just murdered my heir, my pride, my first son, and your counsel is do nothing.
It is not my counsel, Your Majesty. The gods command it.
Mama, great river goddess, the beautiful one, the protector of our lands, the benevolent. I come as your humble servant, bearing gifts, virgin blood.
Your arrogance has made you foolish. Do you think that the speaking content of your calabash will cloud my judgment? If I wanted blood from 1,000 faces, I would get them.
Great one, I did not mean to offend.
Yes, everything you do offends. Do this without thinking. Akato, arrogance destroys great things. Look where?
Great one, what do we do to stay your anger?
You are fit to question me, Papa. Go and construct your feast. I will let you question by an impudent child. Ah!
Mama says that you have all the answers. So, go on, speak.
Your Highness, I am a mere mortal. I cannot have all the answers.
Enough of the modesty, Modobelo. Out with it! What do they want? How do we appease Omama?
It is heavy news.
Do I need to coerce and control you like a recalcitrant god before you speak?
No, Your Highness. Mama says that another sacrifice has to be carried out.
Then, let's go on with it.
Weije will carry the ajo as usual. But this time, she will not come back.
What do you mean she will not come back?
No.
No way! She is the life force of Tiba. If she dies, what becomes of the 7 kingdoms?
The 7 kingdoms existed before her birth, and will continue to exist long after she has gone. If she dies, you will lose your powers. You will no longer be king. The kingdom will go to your enemies.
No,
then no such sacrifice will be performed. Go and tell our mama to choose another sacrifice to perform.
Your Highness, Nwije was a gift to you from Mama. If she chooses to withdraw that gift, we cannot question her.
But you can question me. Go and tell her that I said no!
Your Highness, Lord of the Seven Kingdoms, what brings you to Annie?
It's you that I've come to see. I need your help.
Speak on.
Where is the girl?
Roaming the markets like she usually does at this hour, I presume.
I need you to hide her for me. Take her away from Tiba to a place where no one will know of.
Oh, Mama wants her back, doesn't she?
Will you help me?
What does Anyamu know? Does he know the pain of childbirth? Oh, can he claim to know the joy a father feels watching his son grow? I mean, how can you take advice from a childless man? A childless man, Your Majesty!
Anyamu is the mouthpiece of the gods.
That is what you have us all believe. But I, Akulino, I do not believe that anything other than palm wine breaks out of the mouth of that drunk.
Hey! Careful, woman, lest the gods strike you dead.
The gods will understand my pain. The gods will understand the grief of a woman who mourns her son. Permit me to call you by your name. Egwato! He was your son! How can you fold your hands and do nothing? Our first son! Oh, Jimmy.
Our son will be avenged, but we must be patient. It is Akado we are dealing with. He is one of the greatest kings the land has seen.
He is a man like you and nothing more. Akado this, Akado that, Akado everywhere. Does Akado have two heads? What is it about this Akado that has everyone trembling? You mentioned Akado and you expect me to just quiver.
It is your grief that is talking. That's why I will overlook this foolishness. You're a mere woman. You're in no position to advise me on matters of warfare. Calm down and get some rest.
I am a woman who mourns her son, and I cannot get a rest until you avenge my son. Do not just sit there and do nothing.
Anida! Great goddess of fertility! Ijiaku, your loyal stewardess, greets you. I have come with your morning oblation, Mother Earth. Let it please you.
Shut your mouth and bow your head in shame. You are no daughter of mine. Now listen to me carefully, you whoring daughter of Idoko. You can no longer serve me. Your impurity stinks. Summon all my acolytes and I will choose your replacement. And remove the sacred veil from your face. You have dead your last to a man. There is nothing left to hide.
kind of course is this? Women will have to walk half day's journey to Nkika to wash clothes, while the men sit at home and hold endless meetings. The gods must really be punishing me for getting married into this coastland. You are safe.
Your Highness, Oyema, the wife of Onoka, wishes to have audience with you.
Has Onoka been found?
No, Your Highness.
Let her in. Where is Onoka?
Your Highness, I don't know.
So what do you want then?
Your Highness, it's about Onoka's new friend. He said he's from Amako. I saw him.
Speak clearly, woman!
Forgive me, Your Highness. Your Highness, I saw him turn into a beast. I think Obodo may be among us.
Obodo the beast? Impossible! I think your husband Onoka is trying to draw attention away from himself.
No, Your Highness. I swear by Anne. I swear.
Where is your husband, Onoka?
Your Highness, I don't know.
Guards! Guards!
Yes, sir.
Take this woman away and lock her up until she reveals the miserly hunter's whereabouts. Take her away.
Please, Your Highness. Please, Your Highness.
What? Those are indeed very foolish. Bringing this arrogant fool to his knees will be easier than I thought.
Leave us.
Yes, Your Highness.
My king.
Save your strength. Have you had something to eat?
It's the least of my lives. Our kingdom is dying before all of us. What the rising again of my heart? To my uncle must be grievous.
Don't worry. I have sent for Modubello. You will soon be up and going.
You and I know that this happiness is beyond Modubello. Can't you see?
I will send in the guards to come and clean your wounds.
Don't bother the children, look at us. They are afraid to come close to me. I don't blame them. I know you're doing everything possible to save our kingdom. May the cross guide your footsteps.
Your Highness. Modubello. Yes, Your Highness.
You have known me since I was a child. And you have also been with me since I was crowned king.
I have, Your Highness.
In all that time, have you seen me do anything that is not strictly for the good of the kingdom?
No.
So why have the gods decided to visit me with so much calamity? My people are dying of thirst, and those that have survived the test are dying of a strange illness. So, Modubele, why have the gods decided to afflict me with all kinds of evil?
Your Highness, I hear that Ijele has been afflicted with a strange illness. If it is true, then nobody should touch her. She must be removed from the palace immediately.
Removed from where? Ijele is my wife. Her place is here in the palace, and no self-serving goddess will change that.
Your Highness, I have news.
Better be good. We can use some good news around here.
I am sorry I have to disappoint you, Your Highness. Ijako and Wije are missing. Do you know something about this, Your Highness?
We are done here, Modubele. Attend to Ijele and see if there's anything you can do to relieve her pain.
No more.
Is it really you?
Oh, my dear husband. Did nobody tell you that Eliasen with Omama will win you? Did nobody tell you that there is no winning with the river goddess? She gives with her right hand and takes with her left.
I miss your wisdom and advice. But you were my closest confidant. But the afterlife seems to agree with you.
Your flattery serves no purpose now. Omama must be stayed. And he has favored you. You must go to Umuako and extend the hand of friendship to Egwato.
No way. Egwato challenged me. Egwato killed my servant and sent his head to me. That was an insult to Tiba. That was an insult to me. I will not do that.
Humility, Akado. Humility. You must learn humility before you ruin yourself.
But Noma. 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 Noma.
You're here. You're welcome. Ijak, the daughter of Ojug. You're welcome. My home is your home.
Thank you, Ogugo. But I am the daughter of Annie now.
Forgive my impudence. Let me get you a seat. I shouldn't be keeping you stand after such a long journey.
Don't worry. I am in a hurry.
Hope all is well. I have been looking out for you for the past 4 days now. Your servant didn't say when you would arrive.
Yes. That is because my mission is of utmost secrecy. This is Wije. She was entrusted to my care since her birth. But now, her life is in danger. I want her to stay here with you for a while. Until things cool off at Tiba.
No problem. You know there is nothing I would deny you. Your mother was like a sister to me. No, What is your name?
The gods have not gifted her with the power of speech.
Oh. If anyone, take this girl inside and find her something to eat. Take her inside. Let's just follow her.
Thank you, Ogubo. I owe you a debt. Annie owes you a debt. I must return to Tiba immediately.
So soon? Won't you at least have something to eat?
I can't eat. I am needed back home urgently.
If you say so, wait a little. Let me get something for you that you give to your mom. I'm sorry. Ojugo. When did you go? I'll be back.
I have been sent to give you your voice back. Speak.
If only it was that easy to break spells. Who are you?
I am just a humble servant from the gods.
Is this not one of Modebelu's tricks?
Modebelu wishes you silenced forever. I want to know why.
And you said the government.
The gods are wise. They know you did no wrong. You must tell me why Mordebello put a spell of silence on you.
No, I can't. If Akado finds out, he will not mind searching the depths of the sea to find and kill you. I can't.
And don't you think that the gods that cured you from the spell casted on you will keep you safe? Have no fear. Tell me what's happened.
And you're sure no harm will follow?
I swear.
Well, it's about Ouija, the girl that lives in Annie's shrine with the priestess. She's Akado's daughter. The morning she was born, I overheard Mordebello tell Akado that.
Daughter of Mother Earth, I hope all is well.
What do you want?
Where have you been, and where is the girl?
And who are you to question me?
I have not come here to trade words with you. You are a mere child, Ijako. My difference is to Annie, and not to you.
Now look here, old man. I have neither the time nor the patience to engage in a power contest with you. I ask you again, what do you want?
And I ask you again, where is the child? You will answer my question. Where is the girl?
Go and ask Akado. I do not answer to you. I never have, and I never will.
Where is the girl? Where is the girl? Where is the girl?
The hunter speaks.
I'm afraid so, Your Highness.
How did you find this out?
The gods see everything.
So how come your blasted girls cannot find out where the wretch is hiding?
The gods only reveal what they want to us.
This is madness. This is madness! This is madness!
Where is your husband, you scheming wretch? Have the gods struck you dumb like they did your interfering husband?
No, Your Highness.
So where is your husband, Onoka?
Oh, Chimo. I woke up one morning and he was gone.
Mordebello!
The gods say she is lying, Your Highness.
I ask you again, where is your husband, you wretch? Where is your husband? I give you 7 days to tell me the whereabouts of that wretch you call a husband, or those ancestors you're calling on will strike you dead.
What do they expect me to do, eh? What? These your gods that only take delight in giving bad news but merely keep their mouth shut when it comes to giving solutions.
Your Highness, the situation needs urgent attention. You need to reconsider your position about Umije carrying the Ajo.
I will not hear of it. I will not sacrifice one more innocent child to those bloodthirsty loons.
Your Highness?
Not one more word. If Omama likes,
let Omama boil all the waters in Tiba until they evaporate into a cloud of steam. I will not sacrifice Wije.
It's indeed Ijako. She has been unveiled since yesterday.
What is going on? Has Annie abandoned us as well?
Annie has not abandoned Tiba. She has only abandoned me. But that is of no consequence now. I have come to offer to take Wije's place in the sacrifice. Seek Omama's consent immediately.
Do you understand the consequences of what you're talking about?
I do. Seek Omama's consent. I shall await your word.
Forgive the stench. It comes with being a walking corpse.
Ijele. No, Ijele. It can't be. Is it really you?
It is. If the gods have seen fit to do this to me, who am I to complain?
Ijele, no. No. If the gods truly did this to you, and then I question your wisdom.
We don't question the gods. I came here to tell you that you have my full support. As long as I have breath in my being, I will speak to Akadu before the gods take me. I will convince him you know nothing about Onoka's whereabouts.
Thank you, my good friend. But there is another matter that bothers me. Obodo is in Tiba. I saw him myself.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
A few months ago, a young man came to Unoka and I. We took him in. I saw that same young man change into a monster. There is no mistaking it. It was Obodo.
When it rains, it pours. I will speak to Akadu. If the gods spare me another night, I will come back and see you again.
protector of the 7 kingdoms, queen of the 7 seas, whatever will pay you obeisance, beautiful one.
What priest? What do you want?
I came on behalf of Akado, Lord of the 7 kingdoms, to plead your mercy. Please, accept a jackal in place of beauty. Let it please you to spare the child that you gave the kingdom as a protector in your wisdom.
Wise words! But I shall have something in return.
Name it, and it shall be yours, beautiful one.
I want Akado's manhood. He brought this on Tiba, and he must have a price to pay for it. I will not be denied!
Very well.
What is the meaning of this? Go in there and see what that bloody animal did. I'm getting tired of all this.
Go, calm down. Do you want to give yourself a balambani?
How much more?
Actually,
I will still take this anymore. I can't.
Actually, you want to go balambani? Put to Obi. Calm down. Whatever she must have done, it's not enough for you to want to kill the girl. You and this imbecile child of yours, you will kill her.
To fear. That thing did not come out of my loins. I can never be a child of mine. I could have killed her, if not for you. Imbecile!
It is okay, Ogugwo. I am here. Stop shouting. Something else more pressing issue brought me to your house, Biko.
Forgive my manners, Nne. What happened?
Where is Uba? Is he inside?
Uba just left. He's not around.
Oh.
Are you okay? Oginekwan?
I am not.
I'm here. You can talk to me.
Ogogo, my heart is in grief. I am in so much pain. I wanted Uba, your husband, to come and talk some senses into the stubborn head of my husband. You know, the king has so much regard for your husband now.
It's true.
No.
But what happened now? You can talk to me. Ogine.
Is it true about what people are saying? That Annie has rejected you as a priestess?
Obika, I have not invited you here to trade gossip.
But is it true?
It is. But neither here nor there. Never really enjoyed being a priestess anyway. As far as I'm concerned, it is the worst form of slavery.
Then why are you not rejoicing? You can even get married now if you want.
Get married. You see, there was a time in my life where that was the most important thing to me. The gods. The gods have a funny way of playing a fast one on us.
You're speaking riddles.
Forgive me. I'm just rambling. Obika, I called you here because I need your help. When the time is right, when your mama has been appeased, I want you to go to the king and deliver a message to him.
Okay, I'm listening.
Tell him that the thing he entrusted in my care is in Umuako, in the home of Ogugwo, wife of Uba.
The thing? What is? Never mind. Do you want me to stay with you tonight?
Sadly, we have come to the end of our road, Obi. May you find favor in the sight of the gods. May they give you a good wife to share the rest of your days with.
And where is the girl?
I cannot tell you. I will not tell you!
And what is it that gives you the confidence to defy me? Annie has rejected you, and you are powerless against me. Tell me where the girl is, or I will strike you. Where it's hot, the most.
You mean to harm her? I will never tell you where she is. Never!
Oh! You will well yet. You rejected daughter of Annie. You will howl like a dog. And you will growl. You will come crawling on your knees to me.
Eye of the gods.
Lord of the 7 kingdoms, Blessed One, may your reign be long. I have appealed to the river goddess to accept Ijako instead.
And?
She has accepted.
And what do we have to pay for this benevolence? You and I know that our mama gives with the right and reclaims with the left.
A parent will always demand from a child what that child can give.
Proverbs. Too many proverbs. Can you for once speak in plain language? What does our mama want?
Nothing, Your Majesty.
Nothing more, Devon. Nothing.
Your Highness, we have to hurry because Ijako has been afflicted by the evil disease. She lost her immunity and all the special privileges that come with being Annie's priestess the day Annie renounced her. I have already instructed the new priestess to start her purification rites. Yours will start tonight. Your Majesty, have you?
I have not touched any of my wives. I cannot enjoy the warmth of any other woman whilst the kingdom boils.
Your wisdom is undeniable, my king. I will return tonight.
Fire cleanses. Fire strengthens. Fire purifies. Purge. Burn away our impurities. Wash us clean. of the 7 kingdoms, the lion that guards Tiba, there is heavy news. Ijelanwanyi is dead, and because she died of the evil disease, her body will be buried in the evil forest immediately. I have already asked Idogu to see to it.
Mama, she who rules the seas, protector of our lands, beautiful one, powerful one, let our token find favor in your sight and please you. People are happy.
I must mourn Ijele. I must go to Umoba to see her uncle.
You will do what is needful, Your Highness. But I'm afraid there is another matter that must be addressed first.
What is it?
Unoka must be found. Even now, time runs against us. Unoka has told your secret to an enemy. Evil is being perpetrated in our midst. Unoka must be found.
Has his wife said anything?
Go! Bring Unoka's wife to me, right here!
Yes, Your Highness.
I have ruled the 7 kingdoms for many years. And in these years, I have never been known to be a king that goes back on my words. Because I do not intend to start it now. You do not learn a new dance step in old age. Now I ask you for the final time. Where is Unoka? Where is Unoka? You speak when your king asks you a question. Where is Unoka?
I didn't know you were this. Begging for me. I don't know because I'm not good at coming. I don't know where he is. Chiba!
Summon Idogu immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
I don't know of Unoka's crime. I don't even know what he has done. I don't know where he is. Chiba! Hey!
Take her out and execute her.
Chibo! 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 Chibo!
I had a dream. My wife, Onyema, was killed.
Akado laughs over your wife's corpse. Unfortunately, good friend, it was not a dream.
No, I refuse to believe you. Akado may want me dead, but he would not kill my wife, Onyema. She did nothing. Akado is not like that.
I am afraid you know nothing about the man you call king.
No, it cannot be. Akado cannot do this. He cannot do it. He will not.
Mortals, impetuous, and stupid.
Greet my fathers.
Oh yes, the man I was going to see. I have been told you are the one I have to meet for the freshest palm wine in the whole of the 7 kingdoms. You see, I have to take some fresh palm wine to my new in-laws for the festival.
Oh, I'm sorry, friend, but not today. I need to see the king urgently.
The king? Is all well?
Yes, all is well. But you can still come for the wine tomorrow.
The dead priestess sent you on an errand, hasn't she? Where is the girl?
What girl?
Ijaku told you where she hid the imbecile. Where is she?
What are you talking about?
Ah!
Lord of the 7 kingdoms, may your reign be long.
Eye of the gods, have you come to join the palace decorators as well? All I see are people rushing up and down preparing for the festival.
So should it be, Your Highness.
Out.
Something is troubling you, Your Highness. What is it?
Wije, I heard that Ijaku hid Wije away from Omama's gripping hand. Now that Ijaku is no more, I don't know where to find her. Consult the gods until they tell us where she is. Modebelo, where is she?
The gods say you acted alone without consulting them. They say you must find her on your own.
What use are these gods, Modebele? What use are they? All they do is to play with mere mortals for their selfish amusement.
Gods are gods, my king, and men are men.
Fine! Do what you must. You who understands their games. Coerce, cajole them until they reveal where she is. Because that festival will not hold until Wije is found.
Your Highness, the festival is necessary. It will complete the cleansing process.
Go and tell them I will not sacrifice one more member of my family to the pranksters you call gods.
Great God of our land, the Father of the gods, the owner of the hills and the valleys, the unquestionable one, I pay my respect.
Akadu has sent you to find out where the girl is.
Yes, great one. The girl, and Unoka.
Akadu thinks he is entitled to make demands. He may be the lord of the 7 kingdoms, but that does not include the gods who gave him that privilege in the first place.
Great one. He does not think himself equal with the gods.
Then how do you explain his unguarded outbursts, his foolish mockery of the gods?
He is impulsive and prone to anger and impatience, but he wants the good of the land.
Indeed. Why did you not tell him about Omama's demand for his manhood?
I did what I did for the greater good.
Unoka and the child are in the same place. Find one, and you have found the other. But you must hurry.
Thank you, great one.
Long live your highness. May your reign be long, and may the gods grant you victory over your enemies. I am Unoka, son of Iweka, of Amanze Kingdom in Tiba.
Tiba. Welcome to Marco. What brings you so far out?
I have come to swear my allegiance to you, your highness, and to help you in your fight against our common enemy.
Who might this common enemy be?
Akadu, your highness, lord of the 7 kingdoms.
You've come to help me fight your king. Interesting. And how do I know you're not Akadu's spy?
Your highness, your wisdom and discernment are legendary. If I was a spy, you would already know, and I would not still be alive.
So, why have you turned traitor?
Your highness, Akadu's pride has brought nothing but pain and suffering to Tiba. He cares nothing about any other person than himself. The gods have turned their backs on him, and even now disease and pestilence have overtaken the land.
Yes, I hear that the river boils, and that the entire kingdom reeks of disease and stench.
It is so, Your Highness.
Welcome, Unoka. I will deliberate carefully on this matter and inform you how you're going to be of service to me. Take him to my brother Akenyi's house. Tell him he's my guest and should be treated as royalty.
Yes, Your Highness. Thank you for your kindness, Your Majesty.
Out of my presence.
Yes, Your Highness.
Mama, what do you want?
Where is the girl, Akado?
I don't know. I merely wanted
You are foolish to think you can hide her from me. I am a mama, keeper of the 7 seas and rivers. With one breath, I can lay your entire kingdom to waste. And you dare to challenge me?
I am not challenged you, the goddess of the seas. I merely meant to keep her safe.
Safe from who? Me! She is mine, Akado! Mine alone! Have you forgotten?
Mama, she's ours.
You are a fool, Akato, and a babbling child. The youngest child in your womb has more wisdom than you do. You imagine you can dance the dance of the gods and escape unhurt.
I am no dancer, oh Mama. And I certainly do not wish to dance the dance of the gods. I was merely protecting the kingdom just like a good king should. So, where is my crown?
Shut your mouth, you bumbling fool! The child you sought to protect from me is now being treated like a slave. The fruit of my loins being beaten and pushed around like a slave.
Where is she?
You hid her. Find her before it's too late.
You're back.
Hey! What the... You're this imbecile! Ha! You're this imbecile! Did I tell you I have not had my bath this morning? Wicked imbecile! You could have cracked the pot on my head while I'm still on it. This is all I get for taking care of a wretch like you. Emily, kill you! Kill you! I'll kill you! Let me kill!
The gods say the festival must continue immediately.
And I say no! What are they going to do? Render more pestilence on us? Or start burning our meat right off our bones?
Your Highness, nothing good can come of challenging the gods. It never has.
What benefit are these gods? Modobello. I said, what benefit are these freaking gods? If if I had not outlawed the oblations given to the one called Obodo, you all would have still been sacrificing innocent souls to him every moon.
Are you going to outlaw all the ancient traditions left for us even before the time of your fathers?
No, but I am not going to succumb to the whims and caprices of the so-called who has not given us anything good but mischief. Annie, Chuku, Omama, Ikenga, and Amadioha. What good have they done us? Let them show us where Mwije is.
We cannot question the wisdom of the gods. That is why we are mere mortals.
I will challenge the wisdom of this god. I will not be detected to, not by any god or man. Find Mwije, and the festival holds.
Your Highness?
I will hear this matter no more.
How dare you lay your hands on the daughter of the river? How dare you lay your hands on Mwije? Do you know who she is?
Yes. No. I mean, no. I don't know. I don't know what. Please have mercy on me. Have mercy. Have mercy.
Is this the girl that the king fathered with that Umuoba girl?
No. That is a girl my brother's wife, Ogugwa, was taking care of for her friend before her demise.
I still can't believe Ogugwa is dead. Hey, Okorom.
Is it only that she is dead? Do you know that that useless drunk that calls himself Anyamo said that she will not be buried in this village?
Why?
He said she died under some mysterious circumstances, that she must have offended the gods somehow.
Oba must be going through a lot right now.
He is. But as if to pour salt on an already festering sore, Egwatu has refused to prevail on Anyamu. He just swallows whatever that useless drunk that calls himself a priest tells him. Hook, line, or sinker. Not about you. Again.
Do you want to offend the gods?
Which gods? Happy-fa. The gods can never be in support of a useless drunk like him. A fully forger. That's what he is.
Afulenu.
Okay, ho. Afulenu again.
Do not meddle in Anyamu's affairs, Afulenu.
Should not meddle in Anyamu's affairs. Then let him release Ogogo's body to us. If he doesn't want me meddling in his affairs, huh? You know what? Because I trust him. I just don't want to talk about that old man. The thought of him brings bile to my mouth.
Afulenu. Why you kwa? Why you kwa?
Why you be here? I am more. I am more. Out of the gods. I greet you.
You're welcome. Afulenu. What brings you out to see an old man like me? Is Egwatu all right?
The king is all right now.
Okay.
The king is all right. You see, Obasi brought me some fresh grass cutters this morning. and I decided to prepare your favorite delicacy.
Okay. Hi. Hey! Thank you. Let me see. Hi! Hi! That must have been the aroma that had me salivating when I went to the palace early today. You see? But my daughter,
Nine.
you shouldn't have gone to so much troubles to prepare this.
It is nothing on Nine. I mean, you take care of the whole village. It is only wise that once in a while we do something to appreciate you.
Oh.
Moreover, I know that you like to take your palm wine with some good grass cutters in the evening.
Oh. May the gods bless you, and reward you in kind for remembering an old priest like me. Thank you.
Nani, I have to be on my way to the palace now. Yes, sir. Yes, Nine.
Okay. Thank you very much. Give my regards to Egwato.
I shall will.
Thank you.
Dal.
More Debello. I've heard all what you said. My people have suffered enough and deserve little joy. Let the preparation for the festival begin.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your love for your people is unequaled. It is what makes you a great king.
Indeed. Let's hope that the gods will acknowledge my acquiescence and reveal where Nwije is.
Let's hope so. Now I must take leave of you, Your Highness.
More Debello.
Yes, Your Highness.
You say that the love for my people is what makes me a great king. But that love exists because you are constantly there to remind me of things that are important. Thank you.
Your Highness! Abomination! Abomination, Your Highness!
Calm yourself. What is it?
Your Highness! Ayamo, Your Highness!
Yes?
It is Ayamo. Ayamo is dead, Your Highness.
What did you just say?
Ayamo has been killed, Your Highness.
How do you know he was killed? He was an old man. Could have died in his sleep or something.
He was bleeding through his mouth, and his stomach was swollen.
No. That cannot be. I saw Anyamo only yesterday. Akado. What will that animal not do? If Akado thinks that by killing Anyamo, he would get me destabilized, he does not know me. I am the son of thunder. I am Egwato. I fear no one. No one. Summon the warriors now. We march on Tiba at first light. Move it!
Yes, Highness.
That madman has no respect for the gods. He murdered the priest of Amadioha.
That is Akado for you, Your Highness. His arrogance knows no bounds.
Yes. And he will bow.
He will kneel before Egwatu, and then I will have the greatest pleasure in cutting off his head.
I called you here to seek your advice. When will be the best time to hit Akado?
Now, Your Highness. The kingdom is vulnerable. Most of his guards are dead, and the ones still alive are diseased or dispirited. The best time to attack is now.
And where will be the best place to penetrate the land?
Your Highness, if your warriors follow the Akagu road, they will get behind Akado's palace. Yes, Your Highness.
That's good. All right. You will go with us. Go and prepare. We leave at dawn.
Yes, Your Highness.
Mama! Where is my mother? Where is the custodian of the rivers and seas? The feast of fury, the wives all in her path. Oh, Mama, the time has come, and my destiny beckons. Enemies of Tiba plot and conspire, but their mere arms and fireflies will cut the deadly flame. Oh, Mama, show yourself to your daughter. Oh, Mama! Open your mouth and drink of me. Go! Fulfill your destiny.
Warriors!
Yes. Today we march for Tiba to claim the kingdom that rightly belongs to us.
Yes!
We will fight with courage.
Yes! Yes!
We will fight with honor.
Yes!
We will fight for glory.
Yes!
We are men of Umako.
Yes!
We fear no one. I say we fear no one.
Stop. Your Highness. Can you see her?
Ouija, what are you doing here? Return to the village at once.
Your Highness, the gods have favored you. Kill her now. She's not what she seems.
What nonsense are you talking about? That child is harmless. She's orphaned and was placed in the care of my late sister. She's my ward.
She is your enemy, Your Highness.
Silence!
be silenced forever.
Who are you?
I am the protector of the lands you march for. Turn around and go back to your kingdom, and no harm will befall you.
You're a child, yet untrained in the ways of the world and in the art of war. So I will forgive this your foolishness. Run back to Afulenu. When I return, we will discuss this business with Unoka.
Turn around and return to your kingdom, or you perish.
What nonsense is this? What nonsense? Bring me that child now.
Your Highness, I think that girl is evil.
What nonsense is this? I say, bring that girl to me now!
You've been wronged. But Akado's punishment lies with the gods. They will do with him as they see it. Now, turn around. Go back to your kingdom.
Akado murdered my only son. My heir.
You murdered his servant.
Are you comparing my son, the crown prince of Umako, with that servant, that slave?
I am asking you to go home. So your wife will not have to man a husband so soon after your son. Go back home. I will need your sword.
Avenge my son. Bring back that sword with Akado's blood on it.
The higher purpose awaits the sun. I've been waiting for you. Show yourself, you cowardly skunk.
You mortals are an interesting lot. Daring, yes, but foolish.
You and I know I'm no mere mortal.
Yes, I heard. Oma must have human spawn, or Akado's bastard, if you prefer. Greetings.
It is good to see you know your place. I am Akado's bastard, you say. But you were the gods cast off. A cowering worm, whose place has always been beneath Akado's heel.
You are a spirited one. And where is your father? The mighty lord of the 7 kingdoms. Hiding from me?
You will never be fit to stand before Akado.
I would love to keep this up. But I am not fond of childish banter. Besides, the beast in me grows hungry.
Remember this.
That cannot be! That sword was destroyed. I saw it fall into the fires of the Darkland.
You saw the mirage the gods wished you to see.
I was deceived? Why? I am one of them.
You were a loathsome creature! A hideous aberration of nature! The gods wish you dead, just as the seven kingdoms do. And today, I am happy to oblige them.
What's the meaning of this? Get her out of here.
You will not deceive the gods or cheat nature a second time. Turn around.
Don't, Your Highness. You will die, please. Don't.
Modebelo, did she just speak?
Yes, Your Highness. She...
Shut! Old man. Turn around, Akado.
Your Highness, please don't. You will die. Don't, Your Highness.
Turn around! You've always longed to see my face. Father, look at me. You betrayed the kingdom entrusted in your care. You think yourself wiser than the gods that gave you every power you possess.
I had to do what I had to do.
And now, I too will do what I have to do. Father!
Daughter, you are as beautiful as I imagined.
Nenu dike